Hi guys, and this is a new tutorial about the TikTok application. Today we will show you how to change the name of your own sound on TikTok. So let's go to this app, and if you have added your own sound, you can also check out another video on the HardReset.Info channel on YouTube, where we show you how to do it in a good way and right. So if you did it successfully, you can smoothly correct the name of the recording. Let's check it. So I will go to my sound. As an example, I will choose this TikTok, and let's tap on the icon of the sound. Amazing. Right now we have this pencil icon, edit icon. Let's click on it one time, and on the period bar we can set a new name of our song. I will set like Hard Reset. Later, to save it, let's pick on the red button at the top bar of the screen and wait a minute. So let's check it again. I will click on the same icon, and we have the Hard Reset new name. Amazing, guys! It was really very short tutorial, but I hope that it was interesting and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel on TikTok and also on YouTube, HardReset.Info. Bye bye!